Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to use some advanced search features within Google, which I found really neat and really helpful to me. So a lot of times in geometry, if I search for something, I get things are related, but they're not. So for example, if I search Jaguars, I get a lot of things for Jacksonville Jaguars. But if I was in science class, I might be looking for actual pictures of a Jaguar. So I can type in Jaguars minus Jacksonville, right? Because I don't want the words for Jacksonville to be in there. Now look at the difference. I'm not looking at NFL teams, so I'm actually finding Jaguar. I'm actually finding images that go to Jaguars instead of if I go to Jaguars without that, I might get some different, like I get some Jacksonville Jaguars information. So I can also I'm not getting, instead of typing Pythagorean theorem, it's just a straight thing. If I type it with quotation marks, actually, let me make you this example. If I type in Heather Wolf, that's my name, right? Look at all these people that come up, not something that I'm looking for. But if I type in Heather Wolf, exactly as it appears, I still kind of get those people, but that doesn't really help me out. But I work at Redland. Now look, that's me. I teach at Redland High School. This is me. This is my LinkedIn profile, right? For my adjunct professor at Hack and as a teacher at Redland High School. I'm also on, there was an article written about me here from the athletic group. This is my graduation picture. This is a picture of me at graduation. This is one from the high school things. I get a very, very detailed search. So minus will take something away. Quotations will give you the exact phrase of that thing. Amazing information.